may be achieved by with contact a very ascetic person or elder person, sorry, or senior person, and not only seniors but juniors also. We should love juniors. We should encourage juniors. We should take care of our juniors by all means. Think, imagine when person will regard their seniors and love their juniors. Heaven is this world. In that condition, the heaven becomes this world becomes heaven. So not only Sharirik but Manasik, the psychic nutrition is also very important. And this is a very good sloka of Charak Samhita कि नित्यम हिताहार विहार सेवी समीक्षकारी विश्वेश्वर सत्ता दाता समह सत्य पर क्षमावान आप तो सेवी का बहुत केयर होगा. You all must have read Charak Samhita and other Samhita, Vagbhat. The gist of health, the gist of nutrition is hidden in this verse. Nityam hitahar vihar se, daily, which uses the food and his lifestyle, vihar, as per the instructions of Ayurveda. First condition is use of diet and lifestyle, daily lifestyle, as per the instructions of Ayurveda, not only daily, but Ritucharya also. In what season and also in what type of country the same diet and the same vihar, which is applicable for benefit of people of Sri Lanka, that may not be benefit for Jammu and Kashmir. Because the total environment, the desh, the region where the people live, that is different. So that is why it has been said that a Vaidya should always be an analytical person, which analyzes what should we do for this prakriti of person, for person of this prakriti, for the person living in this prakriti of desh, jungle, anu, sadharana, and also the if he is suffering, also the prakriti of disease. To cure it for ill people and to increase the health in a positive way, that is giving the nutrition to a person living in different parts of the world. You know, Ayurveda never thinks for a particular person of a particular country or particular region. This always imagined its vision for entire world, and Ayurveda has converted the calamity into avasar means calamity into because we have seen that in COVID, what happened? People from entire world were suffering so deadly the mortality. But single uses of 1 or 2 hours saved millions, billions of people which are residing in the far interior regions like villages. And this corona, we converted the calamity into our opportunity to popularize Ayurveda, to prove the scientific basis of all things in COVID and etc. Can you imagine a simple measure of naste by coconut oil can prevent the millions of people, because coconut oil has lauric acid, and if we apply as a naste in the nasal cavities, The virus, which is very readily crosses the lipid membrane of the body cells and spreads through nose into entire body, that virus easily crosses the lauric acid present in the nasal cavity, breaks the virus and enters the viral cell. Lauric acid has a very good affinity to cross the cell wall of viruses, especially coronavirus. And after entering the coronavirus, it is converted into laurets. And laurets are not acceptable to virus. So the virus expels out the laurets, and these laurets, the salt of lauric acid, breaks again the viral wall and comes out and thus destroys the virus. So a simple measure, that is nasta of coconut oil, has prevented. This is a research has been done in US and Philippines. This is not a concept of only Ayurveda. This has been proved, validated by Western countries and Eastern countries also. So meaning to say that what are the nutrients, and those who eradicate virus, those who keep away the bad things from the body, they are also one of nutrients, because they prevent the harmful things to enter in the body. So first was Nityam Hitahar Vihar se. In Vihar, in Dincharya, you can learn how to take bath. By the name of bath, you can, I would like to again here explain you that simple camphor. If we mix camphor in the water by which we are going to take bath, this camphor is very potent antiviral. You go and search in the Google and also in the PubMed journals. This is a broad spectrum of viruses are not only prevented but killed by the camphor. So if we change our dincharya, we adopt the dincharya of Ayurveda, we can be able to resist many harmful pathogens and harmful pathogenic conditions occur in the body. Snan, Nasya, and also everybody today uses to take RO water. Okay, it's good. The RO, including the harmful heavy metals, it also filters the essential mineral acids also. That's why wherever you are, you are observed that the arthritis, knee joint arthritis and other type of arthritis are increasing by 20 years. For the last 20 years, we are seeing that it is increased. Okay, here I will not go to say something about the about the water. I would like to suggest only that if you put a simple lavang means Syzygium aromaticum, the clove in the water. Clove is a very good disinfectant and antiviral. I include what I am telling in this lecture. You kindly note it and see in the PubMed journals, in the Google, whether I have told true or not. Lavanga, Syzygium aromaticum, the clove, it is efficient enough to prevent, to kill, or virostatic or virucidal, and this is easily available at every place. And in Sri Lanka, it is abundantly available. Whenever I go Sri Lanka, many of my students, which are senior professors and directors also today, they gift me the law, and I very warm-heartedly and very lovingly accept that. Our students also, who are studying in my institution, they also. So you have very good, rich flora in Sri Lanka, in Himachal Pradesh also. You know, Himachal Pradesh is also a part of this institution. this conference, in Himachal Pradesh, the plants which are found are very much resistant to ultraviolet rays. This is a concept that the plant growing at a particular place, has an innate power to resist the diseases occurring on that region. Himachal Pradesh, being the on the high altitude, it has very much susceptible for ultraviolet rays, and the plants growing there have good power to resist them. And also, all the Ayurvedic plants which I have told and which I am going to tell you, they all have very good antioxidant properties. They check the group, and minus OH group is a very good free radical, very potent free radical. So all our plants have constituents which have free radical scavenger activities. Next, Hintem hitahar vitahar vihar sevi samik shikari. The second point in this sloka is samik shikari, one which analyzes that what he is doing, what he is eating, how he is doing in daily life. So a very good analysis of that, of our habits, can prevent us from many diseases, because when we will analyze, we will find that this will be suitable for me or this is not suitable for me. A person is a very good judge of his activities. No one other, no doctor and no other person can judge what he is doing good and what he is doing wrong. Next, Vishesh Vasakta means he who is not fond of all the measures which please his indriyas, which please his sensory organs. Vishayeshu, Vishaya, Shabda, Artha, etc. 5 Vishayas. So any over activity, any over affinity for a particular Vishay, either it may be sound, or it may be light, or it may be tactile, or it can lead to hazards. So Vishesh ho sakta. So we should control ourselves that what I am doing. Am I listening music more than 10 hours for 24 hours in 24 hours? Because the new generation has always sorry, always a very good earphone like this in his ears, and they overuse it, and they will suffer from tinnitus, from giddiness, etc. So this was an example. Vishesh was sakta. Data. Data means always share everything, not only money, clothing, etc. Always share your good thoughts to others. Data means what which gives, means what one which shares. So always share your knowledge and good knowledge, that knowledge which is beneficial for the mankind with others, so that we can do a very good thing and for the betterment of mankind. Samah. Next word is samah. मतलब कि आत्मवत, just like me, you should see others. Atmavat sarvabhuteshu. In Gita, Lord Krishna has said that see all the persons like you, like yourself. So one which is harmful for you, that can be harmful for others also. So share your knowledge, to do these things, to not do these things. Satyapara, one which is always standing on truth. And aptopasevi means believe what the ancient sages of Ayurveda have said. Don't disbelieve it in any way. Today, some people are saying that we should discard this portion of Ayurveda because it is not good, that is not beneficial, that is not applicable. No, I strongly oppose it. Because if you are not able to understand those verses and those sermons of Ayurveda, and without understanding that, to discard this is not good. Try to understand it. Try to do experimental model, clinical trials. What our ancient sages have said. So these qualities, the disciple said, "Aptu saviccha bhavat aroga." Means if these all things we followed, then a person can be healthy by all means. Even WHO has said that physical health is a state of physical, mental, and spiritual, social, and spiritual well-being. If we are good, but our society is not good, that will affect us, and we can't be any more healthy. So WHO has defined that physical, mental, social, and spiritual being is necessary, and not merely absence of disease or infirmity. Only absence of disease or only absence of infirmity is uh, not a sign of health. Now, seeing the time, I will tell for some things for physical nutrition. You see that we all have knowledge that different colors have different pigments. Foods having different colors have different pigments, and those chemical pigments affect our body to a large extent, and they all pigments are antioxidants. So it's my advice that eat rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors, many colors. Message. To meaning to eat rainbow is that red color. All the fruits having red color, they are rich in vitamin A, C, manganese, quercetin, lycopene, and these are very potent antioxidants. They keep your body healthy and prevent several diseases. And this is the fact hidden behind the red things, red food articles. Then green, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, folates, folic acid, vitamin K, chlorophyll, carotenoids, and lutein. These are chemical things which are abundantly present in all green vegetables or green edible substances. So, in order to improve our nutrition, to keep away the various diseases, we should eat rainbow colors, yellow or orange. All the edible things, all the fruits, all the leaves which are yellow or orange, they have vitamin C, vitamin A, B6, vitamin K, folate, beta carotene, lutein, and alpha carotene. You know, beta carotene and alpha carotene, both are very potent anti-cancer drugs. So if we use this type of this color of foods, we will keep our body healthy and full of nutrition. Then taking the time, I will make some hacks. Then purple color or blue color, like brinjal, bagan. So brinjal, this has blue color pigments, have vitamin B complex, anthocyanins and flavonoids. They are rich in flavonoids. Flavonoids are a group of routine and other antioxidant chemicals. So if we take blue color fruits, blue color food, blue color edible substances, we will have a rich amount of these chemical substances, these nutrients in our body. Then what? Then comes the white or cream or brown also. So all the edibles which have white, which are of white color, cream color, or brown color, they have vitamin C, K, folate, anthocyanins, and again the anthocyanins, leucine, and quercetin. What I have enumerated here, quercetin, anthocyanins. These are also very good and very potent free radical scavengers. So I would like to advise that always eat the rainbow, and lastly comes the dark red, the brick red, that has vitamin C and rich in iron and manganese. And you all know that manganese is a very good and very important among the hemopoietic factors. By taking iron and manganese and vitamin C facilitates the absorption of iron. So if we take dark red things, dark red fruits, dark red leaves, dark red vegetables, it will act as a very good hematinic. It will increase the hemopoietic factors. They will potentiate the hemopoietic factors. So all these colors of rainbow, the nature have some special properties. We should return, and we are returning to the nature, because our growing civilization has caused so much hazards, not only a single country, but threat to the world. So, switch off. So here are some medicinal plant names of Ayurveda which can be used to enhance the immunity, to make the bodily health, the sharir robust, and they are Bala, Sidda cordifolia. If I go in detail, only for one plant I am going to detail, the Sidda cordifolia, its leaves have ephedrine and pseudoephedrine. It helps in bronchodilatation. Roots and seeds have Vacinol and ephedrine, and Vacicinol methyltryptophan. Apart from giving the strength to the body, they are very helpful for respiratory center. Just like Ashwagandha, Shalprani, Shatavari, Katkachu, Enri, Brahmi, Vidari Kandra, Haritiki, Varahi Kandra, Musli, Krishna Musli, and many other things which are boon of Ayurveda to the world. And as the time is approaching, I would like to complete my lecture, and again thankful to Professor R.D.H. Kultunga, Dr. Swarna Haporachi, Dr. Tesla, Dr. Manori, and many others, to Dr. Kamal Pereira, and to many others to whom I cannot take the name. And my regards to all, and my congratulations to you all that you have organized a very good and very impressive program. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable contribution on the topic of nutrition of Ayurveda. Your views are very elaboratively expressed, sir, with the support of fundamentals.